Deleting your Roblox account can be a straightforward process if you know the right steps. In this comprehensive tutorial, we'll walk you through the process of deleting your Roblox account on mobile, whether you're using an Android or iOS device. But before we start with this tutorial, if you are new here, make sure to subscribe to Tutor for more videos like this in the future. The first step that we'll do is to open any web browser on our mobile device. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll use Safari, but you can do this in any browser of your choice. Now the next step is to open the link that I'll put in the description of this video. This is the Roblox support page where we'll have to go to if we want to delete our Roblox account. When you open the link and this page loads, you'll see a little support form link, and that's what you want to click on. The next step is to enter in your birth date and other stuff if they ask you to. When we get to this Contact Us page, we will have to enter in some basic information about our Roblox account. You will have to enter your Roblox username, then your email address, and a couple more stuff. Now this step is very important, so follow my steps. Firstly, select the device on which you are filling in the contact form. I'm on my iPhone, so I'll select that from the list. For the type of help category, you'll want to select the data privacy requests, and under that you'll select the right to be forgotten. When you complete these steps, the last step that you'll do is to type your request in this text box below. Just explain to them that you want to delete your Roblox account, and you can submit the form. Your account will not be deleted right away, because the support team has to go over your request, but it should be done within the next 24 hours. But that's essentially it. That is how we can easily delete our Roblox account, and the support page link will be in the video description, so just check that out. Thank you so much for watching this video, and if you want more similar tutorials like this one, leave a like and I'll see you in the next video.